feeling lost and disconnected from your inner peace? Is your spiritual battery not charging? Don't worry, here's your full repair guide. First, let's diagnose the issue. Are you feeling spiritually drained, like your prayers are unheard? Maybe you're struggling to find compassion in your heart. This could be a sign of a disconnection from your spiritual source, much like a faulty charger. We need to check if the issue is with your daily practice, your environment, or your inner mindset. Now for the step-by-step repair. Just as the vision of a saint is an ocean of mercy, you must first cultivate compassion. Start by helping someone in need, no matter how small the act. This simple act of kindness re-establishes your connection. Then, dedicate a few moments each day to quiet contemplation or chanting, allowing divine grace to flow back into your life and recharge your spiritual core. Follow these steps to restore your spiritual connection and fill your heart with grace and mercy.